Wanna add GIFs to your videos in CapCut? It's super fun and it's super easy. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the web browser and search for the GIFs you wanna download right here. As I have already searched for it, I will go to it. Scroll down and choose the GIF you wanna add. Once you choose it, select the GIF and right click on the GIF like this. Click on Save Image As and save it by giving it a name to your desktop or wherever you want. Make it easy to find. Once you save it, go back to CapCut and click on Import. Now import the GIF and drag it to the timeline like this. You can import as many as you want, like this. Let me add this one as well. Now preview the video for once. And that's it, super simple, right? If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.